The line of Breton numerical control machines is now complete with the introduction of our new NC250. In this film we see the principal phases of work on the NC250 for the realization of an angular 3 foot 1 inch by 4 foot 4 inch kitchen countertop with 2 sink cutouts made of Breton stone quartz. The software, Breton Cam Stone, is dedicated to the development of the design and the parameters for the realization of workpieces to be executed with automatic cycles, from the roughing to the final finishing, without the intervention of the machine operator and without moving the workpiece. A laser tracer located on the spindle indicates where the suction cup should be placed on the work table. These points are foreseen by the Breton Cam software and give you a fast and secure way to prepare the pieces to be worked. The shape and dimensions of each suction cup is evidenced by a drawing. After each positioning, the operator will confirm the operation, allowing the spindle to go to the next positioning point of the following suction cup. In spite of the compactness of the machine, you can still easily load the machine in complete safety with large pieces such as our Breton stone slabs of 10 feet by 4 feet 6 inches. An efficient and rapid vacuum system allows the fixing of the material on the work table using suction cups which are mechanically secured to the table. At this point, the profile cutting of the kitchen countertop is executed using a finger bit. The unused material will then be removed from the work table. A probe will supply the numerical control with the exact position of the work table, reference of the kitchen top to be worked, via a radio frequency transmission of the various coordinates as specified by the work program developed. This parameter is in reference to the program for the realization of the drain board executed on the inclined pocket using a milling tool. In this phase, the spindle is rotated with respect to the A-axis, allowing the milling tool to work parallel to the inclined plane. A vertical travel of the spindle of 10.2 inches, having a distance of 16.53 inches from the spindle nose to the work table, also makes it possible to do deep dish-out work on the billets. After the pocket is milled, the measurement will be redone on the work plane so as to use the polishing tools correctly. These polishing tools are measured automatically by a laser probe. A through hole is drilled to allow the finger bit to enter and make the cutout where the sink will be placed. Using a special tool, a head with an inclined concave blade, the round hole will be cut where the garbage disposal will be installed. With the probe, the 2 points foreseen by BretonCam to establish the vertical inclination of the piece with respect to the workplane will be measured. An automatic correction will be effected so as to obtain a uniform polish on the edge of the kitchen top. The repeated passage of the different grain bullnose tools will give the base profile, which will then be followed by a series of rubber polish tools. The same procedure will be used for the straight edge profile using diamond and rubber polish tools. In case straight cuts are needed, the head with the vertical blade will give you rapid and precise cuts. At this point, the work process may be considered finished and the piece may easily be removed. A particular accessory of the machine is the laser probe, which allows you to plot the complete shape of the profile of each tool, while a software program permits you to align each tool to the profile reference with extreme ease. Once you have achieved the correct alignment of the profiles, the parameters relative to the radius and length of each tool will be utilized by the numerical control. Another fundamental aspect of the Contour Breton NC250 is its compactness. In fact, the machine is shipped completely assembled, thus reducing the setup and startup costs, and especially the shipping costs, by using traditional means of transportation. A 20-foot open-top container by sea and a normal tractor-trailer by land. There are no costly foundation works foreseen for the installation of the NC250. The machine is simply set up with the use of a hammer drill and anchor bolts. Nothing could be easier.